it in the sunshine? Do you feel it in the rain? Do you feel it in the ocean when the waves are clear? Do you feel it in the evenings when the moon is up? Do you feel it in your bones when she fills you up? Oh yeah, yeah, she breathes good luck. Mother Earth, Mother Earth, she breathes good luck.
I'm getting under the table for sure.
Ooh,
I'm not trying to
really
outrun this thing.
I don't know. I think under the table could only fit about 3 of us.
Well, I called it. Should we move? I'm getting a little nervous.
I think he's fine.
He's like,
no, we're standing up. We look huge.
Yeah,
you know,
he's like coming down.
Yeah, there you
go. The path here.
No, they're on the other there because we're like in the front.
Oh, he hears him.
Yep.
Oh my god.